Landscape like for LGBTQ plus affirming healthcare in Erie.
Panel discussion at the Blasco Library today aiming to answer that question. Our Lisa Adams covered the event. And Lisa, who organized the panel and what was the goal of today's discussion?
Good evening. It was a free event organized by UPMC Safe Harbor Behavioral Health, the LGBT Funds of the Erie Community Foundation, Mercyhurst University, and the Hammett Health Foundation. The mission to make sure everyone in Erie has safe access to the quality health care they need, and if they don't, to fill those gaps.
We see the rainbow pride flags flying on area businesses, especially during Pride Month. But people on today's panel representing healthcare and social service providers say they're getting mixed messages. The community may be friendly to LGBTQ people, but that doesn't mean they always feel safe and affirmed.
LGBTQ people experience a lot more barriers to access healthcare that is specific to their needs than the general population, just because it's really difficult to know if you are entering into a provider's office that is a safe place to share who you really are.
The panel aimed to point out strengths and weaknesses in access to high-quality healthcare services, regardless of sexual orientation or gender identity.
I do think it's getting better.
Physicians, psychologists, clinical counselors, and professors shared thoughts on the most pressing risks, mainly having access to enough competent and knowledgeable providers, bleak suicide stats among youth in the LGBTQ space, and the need for trust in health providers. That's where the LGBT Funds of the Erie Community Foundation come in, providing grants, youth scholarships, and educational events like this one to fill the gaps.
What we're hoping is that, again, we foster a common understanding of what the issues are that are faced by folks trying to access high-quality health care in our region, and that ultimately we can be part of crafting that solution by providing funding to those projects.
Teachers or healthcare professionals who attended today's panel were eligible for continuing education credit. The Erie Community Foundation will be hosting an aging healthcare panel coming up in the fall. Live in the studio, Lisa Adams, Erie News Now.